In this section, we've talked about flower gardening, how to decide what type of flower garden I'm going to have. I'm going to have a large garden, a small garden, a moon garden, a mixed color garden, a shade garden, a sun garden. There's so many different choices. But in the end, I found that gardening is like throwing a party. You don't have to have a guest list. You don't have to have a series of plans and a schedule. By selecting plants that you think would make great guests at your house, you're creating a garden. You can always move them to a sunnier spot. You can always move them to a shadier spot. You can always put them in another group. Gardening is about change, just like partying is about change. And it is your garden. And if you have a plant that's being invasive or pushy, you always have a neighbor you can bring it over to, or a last-minute homecoming present for a friend. And remember that. You don't take it personally. Just like your parties when everyone doesn't show up or too many people show up. Gardening's about now. It's about action. It's about seasons and enjoying the theme of the day. Thanks for watching this series on flower gardening. I hope that I've given you some ideas that you can take home with you. Enjoy your garden and enjoy your life.